What's going on, you guys? You got Mike here from Mike'sMoneyTips.com coming at you today. Coming at you with a quick way to show you how to make $1,500 a month online doing surveys. This has been put out before, but just I know it ain't been put out a whole lot, so I figured I'd throw it out there so my subscribers could see it. What it is you actually have to sign up to a service for this one, but it's $1,500. They don't take a cut of your money like all the other ones do, you know, like SurveyMonkey or Inbox Dollars or any of the other ones. You know, they all take a cut of it. This system right here does not take a cut. You pay them a flat rate every month, and you get what the company pays them goes straight to you instead of them taking a cut of it. I know you're probably sitting there saying, but I don't want to pay for something. Well, think about it. Say you do Inbox Dollars, right? I know I signed up through them and I done Uber Eats, right? And they paid me $50. You figure they probably paid them $75 to $100. And if I would have paid that $25 one time a month, that was one thing I signed up for, right? Not to count all the other stuff I've done for them. So think about it that way. You can make more money this way in the long run. Yeah, it's going to cost a little bit up front. Now, granted, you can go through like Inbox Dollars or whatever else to get you money to pay for this. Yeah. See, that's where it's all at. But, you know, there again, here you're trading time for money, right? Check out the first link in my description. It's my #1 way to make a passive income online. There's a 15-day course that's $7. Yeah, 7. That's right, 7 US dollars to do it. And in that $7, you get a trainer or a coach, what they call it, a 15-day course that walks you through how to do affiliate marketing, how to do coaching, how to do a lot of different stuff. Personally, I think it's a wonderful program. I myself have used it. I have, of course, I am an affiliate of it. You will, you know, but it don't cost you any extra to go through my links. But, you know, there again, it is pretty good money. I mean, if you start making good money through it, there's one guy that just made over $1 million with this system. Affiliate money, $1 million through this system, and he's only been doing it like a year and a half, I think. So I mean, you know, this is a high ticket product. Granted, there's low ticket and there's high ticket on it. So, but anyway, I'm getting off topic. If y'all like this sort of thing, subscribe to my channel. I come up with videos fairly regularly. If you don't like this one, check out the other ones on my channel. I've got over 50 there right now. Just check it out. But okay, let's go to the thing here. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description for you. It's goldoptions.com or goldopinions.com. Sorry, I screwed up. I'm human. You know, you get paid for your opinion. As you see, these have been seen on MSNBC, Entrepreneur, About, Yahoo, Working Mother. I don't know what that one is. The rest of them I know, but that's probably some sort of female thing. That might why I hadn't seen it. But anyway, you know, here's your, stake out your chance, $8 million gold mine. This guy right here says he made $30 on his first day, which, you know, is really good because that almost pays for the whole thing. Why join us? Fast and easy, make extra money by simply sharing your opinion. We remove the hassle so you can focus giving us your opinion and get rewarded. You know, get paid $5 for 5 to 10 minute surveys, $30 an hour for focus groups, $15 to $30 for 30 to 45 minutes, and $50 for premium surveys. I mean, you know, how much easier can it be? You just give your opinion and you get paid. I mean, it is a wonderful thing. You know, here you can choose your reward to exchange for your opinion. Direct deposit. Cash. Apple gift cards. Free lunches. PayPal. Amazon. Starbucks, which personally I'm not a big fan. Get sports merchandise. Pet merchandise. Visa gift cards. Walmart gift cards. Travel. Watch movies for free. Target gift card, Netflix. You know, it goes on and on here. Even hotel accommodations. I mean, for this right here, you can even take trips that, yeah, it costs you a little bit money a month. But that being said, though, everything that you can use to take trips or whatever else you want to do. Really good thing. You know, how long does it take? Most users make money or redeem their first reward within 24 hours. Why would they pay for your opinion, right? Basically, the reason why companies do this is so they know how their websites are performing. They know how their apps are performing. They want to know their customer feedback. They want to know all that stuff. Without you, the customer, or me, or whoever decides to do this, they're not going to know what's going on. I mean, this company is, as you can see, it is very well known. You got Google, Ford, Saab, Siemens, Adidas, which I think Saab ain't no longer, but anyway, Coca-Cola, Exxon, listen at me. Anyway, British Airways, Procter & Gamble, Philips, you know, you see. And as far as how to participate, it's just like anything else. You choose the job, you submit your work, they review your work, and you get paid. I mean, that's, I mean, how much simpler can it be? They live outside the U.S. As you see, they support 150 countries. So, you know, granted, they probably have more customers than that. So, paid online survey benefits, no boss, no noisy alarm clock, definitely no schedules. You ain't going to get rich doing this. I'm going to tell you that now. It's like I said, $1,500 a month is average on this site. Okay. I don't know about you, but I live inside the U.S. and $1,500 a month is not enough for me to live on. Now, it is enough for me to invest to make more money. There again, like I said, check out the first link in the description. It's a beautiful way to make more money. And with that, you can quit your 9 to 5. As you see here, you can join now, get paid for your opinions. There is a 7-day trial. Make money, you know, yada yada yada. Y'all see all this. Y'all can go through this later. It's like I said, I'll put a link in the description for this. Let's click on this so you can see what the next page would look like. Of course, you can go to frequently asked questions, all that good stuff. Down the work at home, paid surveys, free trial for $1. And if you like it, you can continue your monthly membership and receive unlimited support for just $27 a month. I mean, so like I said, go to Inbox Dollars or SurveyMonkey, or I've got a couple other things online that'll show you how to do this. As you see, you have a 60-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. Just click and join for $1, and you know, $27 a month after that. I mean, there's it's a beautiful program. Like I said, I'll put a affiliate link in the description, which means yes, I'll make a cut of this. I'm going to show y'all how to get that too with this, not just showing you the website in order to do this. And you know, it's like I said, if you go here and make money, as you see, I've got money in this account. It's like I said, I've show you that I have done this. So, you know, Postmates, Airbnb, all this stuff. But they're going to take a cut of this. Okay? you're never going to know it, but they do. I promise you, they take a cut. Otherwise, they could not afford to do it for free, because it costs money to run this website. It costs money to go get the surveys for you to do. I mean, it takes personnel that they have to pay, so they have to get money from somewhere. You know, it's not like people are just saying, here, do this, do this, do this, and not making any money. I mean, somebody's got to be making money somewhere. So they're taking a cut off the top. But with that being said, let me show you where we go. As you see, I'm over here on Clickbank. If you don't know what Clickbank is, just Google it. It's real easy to set up and sign up. Matter of fact, if I'm not mistaken, I've got a video on it if you go back and look. What it is right here, get paid for your opinions. The average sale is supposedly $69 and some change. I'm guessing there's some upsells on the backside. I'm really not sure. But honestly, all you need is a $27 one. I'm going to tell you that now. You know, so it's a beautiful thing. And it's like I said, all you have to do is come over here, click on this link, and it's going to take you straight to the page I just showed you about, you know, what's going on, right? Now, this is the JV page, which I don't know why they want to put everything else they do on here, because this is the one that you're actually doing. And what you would do then, you click on that, and it will take you to, I believe, yeah, this is, you know, this is their affiliate page, and this is what they are giving out. You know, there's banners for your website. There is more banners. Let's see if there's emails down here. They should be. $100,000 bonuses. I guess maybe not. But I know you can probably contact them and get emails or videos to make your what you call it? Make your put video ads up on YouTube. You know, you could always go over here, contact us, and ask for, you know, general inquiries, instant membership cancellation, refunds policy. Okay, that didn't. Okay, but here's a list of all the countries that they do. If yours is not on there, check on some of the other stuff I've got. I know there's got to be something there to where you make more money. Matter of fact, I believe even my number one passive income idea or opportunity, whatever you want to call it, I'm almost positive it's worldwide. I don't think they discriminate on anybody. I may be wrong on that, just so you know. You know, but you know, if y'all got any value out of this, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe. That way y'all can really help me out, and it don't cost you a dime. You know, everything I said in this video is not guaranteed, because if you don't do nothing, you're not gonna make nothing. But you know, until the next one, we'll talk to you later.